That's a code. That's a code.
Jam rock link up.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service Chef Life J. Yeah. Alright, so people, don't want to say, I have one arrival dinner at our shimmering waters. Oh my God. Yeah. I can't even push the trolley right now. But anyway, yo, remember tell a friend, boy, best personal chef service in Jamaica, eh? So people, most of them are going to see what they're from each other right now. Yo, these are my items for all my original guests right now. Alright. Lot of stuff. Yay! So remember, tell a friend, boy, best personal chef service in Jamaica, right? Yay! Oh my God. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section, alright? Yeah, man. As I said, we're here shopping right now. And so we are put for arrival guests. We have 6 arrival coming here today at Shimmering Waters. Say hello, Snow. Yay! So let's go, alright? So now we have a linky driver always leave. See that, people? Forget my money and oh my God. Because I'm here talking to you all. Yeah, so remember, tell a friend, boy, this personal chef service, alright? Yeah, so now we're at the lagoons, alright? So now we're going to there, bro, always late. Make you see if I'm late then. Oh my God. Yeah, man. You can start. Oh my God, Chojo's, you see that? Chojo's is still away from the sponsorship. Oh my God. I remember to tell a friend, boy, best personal chef service in Jamaica. Hey. Oh my God. Yeah. So yo, remember, so yo, we don't just cook alone, alright, people. So yo, we also do your shopping for you. So if you're coming here on vacation and need your place to in stock, all you guys do is let me know, you know what I'm saying? Send me a DM or an email, okay? Yay! Oh my God. Let's go. Oh my God! One next episode, yeah, with the driver always late, but you know this time. Yeah. Early. This time I tell you. So yeah, man, people, and don't know, welcome to our next episode, you know. Yeah, we are headed to Shimmering Waters right now. We've got free arrival clients, them, alright? Oh my God, yeah. So yeah, man, remember if you tell a friend. Yeah, so you know we're in the beautiful Freeport area. Yeah, we're headed to the lagoons, alright? Yeah, man. Oh my God. Yeah. So you know, it's been really great providing personal chef service for y'all, yeah? I want y'all to continue support. I really appreciate it, yeah. I'm looking forward for the continue support, yeah. In real life. Yes, man. I will joke about it. Yeah. So if you have never tried this type of experience while you're on vacation in Jamaica, I definitely like you to try it out, alright? Yeah. You know, it's something totally different from when you go to a Gucci hotel, alright? Yeah, man. Oh my God. And you know, I have the best service here now. So yeah, so if you're ever interested to try something, try this out, please just send me an email or a comment or something, you know, or tell one friend that you said it in this direction, alright? Yay. Oh my God. God, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service, eh? Yeah, man, so people know where from our location now. So now we're about to get things started. Yeah. Oh my God. Come on. So we'll start with dinner. Let them say more rice and peas and grilled chicken. Yeah, with some shrimps and that. Yeah. So I'll start get dinner cracking. Yay. Oh my God! Yeah! So you know we have some nice shrimp right here, you know, some dark butter shrimp right. Yeah, man. So we arrive out, you know, we have a nice bungo rice and things. Yeah. All this stuff right now. Alright. So people remember if you tell a friend, boy, best personal chef service, alright? Yeah. Anyway, set. And we're all set right now. So we're about to get the food sharing right now, okay? Yeah. Over here. Oh my god. Yeah. So I'll be playing momentarily for y'all, okay? Oh my god. So remember if you tell a friend, boy, best personal chef service, alright? Dinner is ready. Yay! Oh my god. Yeah, remember. Tell a friend about this personal chef service, okay? In Jamaica, oh my god. So yeah, this is day 2. Yeah, day 2. Yeah, let's go. Alright. Oh my god, welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service with Chef Life J.A. You know I don't play. Oh my god. Yeah. So you know somebody by the seaside. Yeah. Oh my god. So you don't know some collect some nice lobster, you know, and some conch. Yeah, for my nice beautiful people from Philadelphia. Oh my god. Yay. So you know today is day 2 and I already cooked brunch for them earlier on, yeah? Yeah man, so you will definitely see what I was cooking for brunch earlier on, alright? Yeah man. So now it's dinner time, people. Oh my god. Remember to tell a friend, boy, best personal chef service in Jamaica. As you can see my background, you know, I'm by the seaside. Yeah man, oh my god. So instead of oh my god. Remember tell a friend, boy, best personal chef service in Jamaica. God. So it's on ready. Nice. Yay. This thing.